Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to find your Candy Crush Saga user ID. If you want to sync your game progress, get help from support, or transfer your account, you will need a user ID. So in order to find that, launch open Candy Crush Saga game on your mobile device. And once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up settings, from where you'll need to tap on general and click on account and help. On the next page, you will see your user ID displayed at the top of the screen. Tap the two square icon right next to the user ID to copy it inside your device's clipboard. And that's it, you've successfully found your Candy Crush Saga user ID. Always remember to keep your account's user ID safe. You might need your user ID when you want to get help from the support, transfer your account, or sync in your game's progress. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.